Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing a very interesting topic on nitrogen versus air in tires. Any real difference? Have you ever walked into a tire shop and been asked, do you want to fill your tires with nitrogen instead of regular air? It sounds fancy, almost like giving your car a Formula One upgrade. But is it really worth it, or just another automotive gimmick? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into nitrogen versus air in tires. By the end, you'll know exactly which one actually matters for your car, your wallet, and your daily drive. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So let's begin. What's inside your tires right now? Let's start with some science, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Regular compressed air is made up of roughly 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 1% other gases like water vapor, CO2, and trace elements. So when you fill your tires at a gas station, they're already mostly nitrogen. That's why some people joke that paying for nitrogen is like, well, paying for something you already have. But here's where it gets interesting. Pure nitrogen, usually 93 to 99%, behaves a little differently than the oxygen and water vapor that make up the rest of normal air. 2. The case for nitrogen. The benefits. A. Slower pressure loss. All tires lose pressure over time through tiny pores in the rubber, but nitrogen molecules are slightly larger than oxygen molecules, so they leak out more slowly. This means nitrogen-filled tires tend to hold their pressure longer, which can be handy if you don't check your tire pressure often. B. Less moisture equals less corrosion. Compressed air often contains water vapor, especially if the compressor doesn't have a good dryer system. Moisture inside tires can cause corrosion on steel rims and even affect tire pressure sensors over time. Nitrogen, on the other hand, is dry. So when you fill your tires with pure nitrogen, you reduce internal moisture, a small win for long-term wheel health. C. More stable pressure with temperature changes. This is a big reason race teams and aircraft use nitrogen. Nitrogen doesn't expand and contract with temperature changes as drastically as moist air does. So your tire pressure stays more consistent, whether you're on a hot highway or a chilly morning commute. For racers, that consistency is everything. For everyday drivers, it's nice, but not life-changing. 3. The case against nitrogen. The drawbacks. A. Cost. Some tire shops charge $3 to $10 per tire for nitrogen fills. While that's not outrageous, it's an extra expense for something that may not give you a noticeable difference in daily driving. B. Accessibility. You can find regular air at every gas station. Nitrogen? Not so much. If you ever need a top-up on the road and nitrogen isn't available, you'll have to use regular air anyway, which mixes the gases and essentially cancels the pure nitrogen advantage over time. Now, pause for a second. If you're enjoying the video so far, why don't you subscribe, like, and share the video? It really helps the channel to grow. C. Marginal benefits for most drivers. Let's be honest, unless you're driving a high-performance vehicle or flying a plane, the benefits of nitrogen are pretty small. Regular air, if you check and maintain tire pressure, performs just as well for everyday commuting. 4. Real-world rule of thumb. Here's the practical takeaway. Proper tire pressure matters more than the type of gas inside. Whether it's nitrogen or regular air, the real performance, safety, and fuel efficiency benefits come from keeping your tires at the correct pressure, not from the label on the valve cap. So if you're the type who checks tire pressure regularly, nitrogen won't give you a dramatic upgrade. If you rarely check, nitrogen might help you maintain pressure a bit longer. 5. Special cases where nitrogen shines. Racing or track driving. Stable pressures under intense heat. Aircraft tires. Extreme temperature changes at high altitudes. Heavy trucks or fleets. Lower maintenance over many miles. Classic cars or long-term storage. Less moisture equals less corrosion. Final verdict. Is nitrogen worth it? Nitrogen in tires isn't a scam. It does offer real advantages in certain scenarios. But for most drivers, those advantages are marginal compared to simply keeping your tires properly inflated with regular air. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe and see you in the next one.